hard? I've always wanted to give it a try, but it might be more than I can handle. Please give me advice. Mia. Hi Mia! Coding is not as hard as most people think. If you're willing to practice and open to a whole lot of trial and error, you can definitely learn how to code and might even find yourself enjoying it. 3 tips if you'd like to learn how to code the easy way. First, learn one coding language at a time. And it's also best if you can grab specific resources specific to the platform that you wish to customize. Second, start simple. Start with the essentials, and once you're ready, you may move forward to more advanced concepts. Third, learn alongside people who are in the same journey as you are, and maybe have a mentor who can guide you. I'd say go for it, Mia. You'll never know if you'll love coding unless you try.